Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video we are going to learn about how to save drafts in TikTok. So let's get started. At first let's go to the TikTok app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon and you can simply record your video or click your photos over here. Or to simply upload, let's go to this upload icon in the bottom right corner. Now you can simply choose any of your photos or videos and click on next and click on next again. If you want to add sound, you can add it from here and click on next. Now we can see this draft icon over here, so let's click on this draft. So our video is saved in draft finally. To see the draft, you can click on this profile icon in the bottom right corner and you can see the draft over here. So this is how we can save draft in TikTok. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.